Hi guys, welcome to my How to School YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how we can download and install VLC Media Player in Windows 10 operating system. In order to download and install VLC, first you need to open up the browser that you have installed. I'm going to open up Chrome, and here I'll open up google.com, and here we will search for VLC. And we will download it from the official website, and you always should download it from the official website. The official website is videolan.org. I'm gonna click on this first link and it will open up their website. VLC is a free open source software. If you want to, or if you can download it, then please download it. You can see the download VLC button in here. By default, it will select the operating system from which you are accessing the website. For example, I'm using the Windows 10 64-bit, so it is showing that here, and you guys can see the live download account here. So if you want to download it for other operating systems, then all you have to do is click on this arrow, and you guys can select the operating system for which you want the VLC. So here I'm gonna click on this download VLC button. It is for Windows 64-bit, and all I have to do is click on this button. It will take us to this page, and download should begin in a couple of seconds. Okay, the download has begun, so we will wait for the download to finish. Okay, the download has finished. So what we're gonna do here is we will open up the folder where we have saved our download by clicking on this show in folder, which will normally be the downloads folder. And here you guys can see VLC 3.0.8, which is the latest version at the moment. So to install this, we're gonna double click on this. So if it asks whether you want to run it or not by displaying the user account control display, then click on S. First, let us select the language, which will be English. Click on OK, then click on next. Then if you want, you can read the license agreement, and after that click on next. And let us select all these options. I'm not going to change anything in here. I'm going to click on next. We're going to click on next. It will be installed in the C drive. It will extract and install VLC, and that's it. We have installed VLC Media Player. We're going to check this run VLC Media Player and click on finish. And here, privacy and network access policy, I'm going to uncheck these two boxes. I don't want VLC to check for regular updates. If you want, you can check this box. So after that, click on continue, and that's it. We have installed VLC. The next thing that I want to do here is, in this Windows operating system, I want to make this VLC as the default media player for playing any of the videos. So to do that, we're gonna click on the start button. We will click on this settings, and then here we will go for apps. Here you guys can see default apps. Click on that, and here for video player, we have movies and TV, which is a Windows built-in app selected. We're gonna click on it, and we will select VLC Media Player, and that's it. We have made VLC as the default video player. So this is how you guys can download and install VLC Media Player in Windows 10 operating system. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more videos like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.